by the way. I am back home. I'm so excited. You guys want to be in the...
Hey, welcome.
This is going on YouTube. I hope you guys know.
Welcome.
Once I've asked... This is my Tony, my chicken shibambi, my everything, my everything.
Welcome.
Yes, you get it. Mommy's on the wheel, of course. It's so cool, guys.
Alright, let's pull out and wait for the other guys.
We had to get
happening.
2 cars. Stop it. We also have our own honking thingy. What is it even called?
You are back in. You are back home.
I'm back home. You're gonna see a totally different side to me. I'm much looser and like, you know, just chilled type of me. Trust me. And you're gonna be hearing this laugh a lot. A lot, guys. Like I was saying, we had 2 cars. The van and what is this car called? Is it a minivan? And another one.
Yeah.
A smaller, cuter one. So the van has my wheelchair on it because, well, you can't really fold it. So it's super big. It's a throne. Like, hello, queen. Hello. Anyway, yeah. So. We're waiting. I'm sorry for the bad lighting, guys. Like, we're in the shade, so.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we're waiting for
sharp.
my sister and my dad to kind of catch up with us. But hold on a minute. Why are we?
We just wanted to be sure for the van is okay.
Okay.
We are risking. Maybe people need help. But just confirmation. I don't know.
Okay, but anyway, I will talk to you guys in a little bit because I'm home. I just got home and I want to just hang out with my family. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'm meeting the new addition to the family. My sister doesn't want to be in the vlog, but eventually she will.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
And I know she just vlogging.
Hey, baby. Isn't she so cute? Her name is Chloe. She's the cutest thing ever. Did you just... Guys, my niece. She knows the Kardashians. That's sad.
Courtney and Chloe take their Hamptons.
Where did she even learn that? And then like this. Oh yes, I changed my manual chair because when I come home, it's much easier to just use the manual chair. I'm sorry guys if I look like a hot mess. I was just traveling and it's super hot and I'm just like sweating and stuff, but I just wanted to like share this experience with you guys. But yeah.
Okay, nyafu girls.
My mommy's taking some pictures and stuff, so.
Come on, face the camera.
Hey guys, so it's the end of the day now. I'm super exhausted. I'm so jet lagged. Like, it's like, what time is it? It's like 11 o'clock. And I don't usually go to bed, so, like, I don't usually go to bed at this time. But I'm so tired that I just need to sleep. I keep falling asleep, like, I was trying to watch TV with my family. Well, with my parents really, and I was just like I could barely keep my eyes open. But anyway, it's been a really good day. We went out to dinner. I wanted to vlog, but it was not quite working out. The lighting was really bad. We just checked out one of the new places that just recently opened. It was quite interesting. It was just like, it was some place called Flavor, and it serves like traditional Setswana food, which is Setswana, Botswana, so Setswana, yeah. So it just serves our traditional food and stuff. it's a cool place. My niece is acting up and my sister's getting frustrated. Anyway, I just wanted to say good night to you guys and sign off here, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed the vlog, comment below, and of course subscribe and share my channel with your friends and family, and yeah, help them to become a part of the Stallion Nation. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.